Here, you can walk through ancient lands listening to the echoes of history. But Datong has even more than that to offer. 98% of the people who have lived here for generations belong to the Atayal, an indigenous people. Atayal means the brave people, a name befitting the culture and wisdom of coexisting with the mountains that they have passed on. Oh, excuse me, are you Xiaodong?
I am. Where you are? We've been looking for ages.
Oh, I'm Yan. You can call me Yang.
Nice to meet you, Yuan. I'm Will. Nice to meet you, Will.
Oh, I heard you were an amazing hunter.
We're here today to learn to hunt. We want to become hunters. What's the first thing we should do?
Well, the first thing you should do is to put on Atayal clothes. I'll take you to the mountain tonight to observe. So first we'll put on Atayal clothes to show respect for the ancestral spirits.
Xiaodong, what are we going to use to hunt?
This rifle.
Whoa.
This rifle is registered, so when we go hunting, you can't use it.
Okay, we won't.
We'll just leave to the pro. Oh, we'll leave to the pro here.
Gun aside, there's still this, right?
Right, you can use a bow.
Oh, this bow is taller than you are.
I made these bows myself. In a moment, we'll pack hunters' meals. The most important thing, otherwise you'll get hungry on the mountain.
We'll eat well and then hunt. We're putting on Atayal clothes to show our respect for the ancestral spirits and learn how to an Atayal warrior hunts. But nothing more important than food. I'm told an Atayal princess will show us how to pack a hunter's meal.
While you're doing this, I'll tell you about this unique food. This is Ataya damamyan.
Damamyan.
Yes, this is unrefrigerated pork with millet and salt. The millet is fully cooked. It's cured by fermenting the millet. The meat turns pink. When it looks like this, it's ready. Do you want to try it? Have a piece first. You want rice with it because it's very salty. Have a taste.
So in it is all millet?
Yes, millet. The yellow stuff is millet. What do you think?
It's really rich.
It's great, right?
The brine has soaked all the way through.
It's salty and delicious.
Oh, it's salty and delicious. Everyone falls in love at first bite. We'll pack it for you.
This is indigenous cuisine use natural millet fermentation to cure meat. The taste is every bit as good as jam on Jiberico. Pack it in a hunter's meal, it's sure to keep you full of energy. All gear up, Xiaodong leads us into the forest. He says before night comes and we hunt, we have a lot to learn about life in the woods.
This is our stone house.
Oh, looks brand new, yeah.
Did you build it yourself?
I renovated it. My grandfather's grandfather built it, and then it fell down.
Well, why did it fall down? An earthquake or what?
No, a typhoon. Or maybe just the sun and rain. It was too much, so it fell down, and then I rebuilt it.
This is all natural stone?
Yes, look. Do you know what this is?
A leaf.
Yeah, it's a leaf. It's called alocasia. Do you know what it's used for?
What?
You guess?
Clothes? You can wear it.
No.
If you don't have toilet paper, you can wipe with it.
No, it's mildly toxic. Wipe with it and you'll itch. Back in the day, if it was too sunny or if it rained and you didn't have a hat, you could do this. This is how you make a hat. Overlap this part and hold it there, and then pick up a stick and poke it in and then out again. Watch carefully.
Magic.
Does it keep the sun off?
Oh, it feels great.
Looks great, right? Sure does. See, if it's sunny and you don't want your face to tan, you can turn it around. See that?
So smart.
It's awesome, right? This is good stuff.
So smart.
Fold it a quarter of the way down and then wrap it around and overlap, and now what is it?
A cup.
Oh,
That's right, a cup or a dipper.
that's cool.
But that's not the coolest thing.
Not the hat or the cup. Then what else is there?
A canteen.
A canteen.
I'll show you how it works. Here, grab it in your hand here and hold it like this and keep folding it between thumb and pointer.
Like a soup dumpling.
His fingers are so quick.
Agile.
When it's like this, take a kutsu vine. This is kutsu. We didn't have string.
Oh, nature string.
Yes, we didn't have string, so we used kutsu as string.
All made from on-the-spot materials.
Indigenous forest wisdom truly does come from using nature in everyday life. Xiaodong showed us how to make big alocasia leaves into everyday hats and canteens. Now I finally see that nature has already provided everything we need. Next, let's find out how Xiaodong sets up a snare. We'll see him examine a mooncheck trail. Oh, did a clever snare and then camouflage it. I don't think the smartest mooncheck could escape this snare.
Now the snare is complete.
Perfect. You can't tell it's there.
Yeah, you can't see it. Yeah, now it's done and we need to test it.
Really?
Who wants to test it?
Oh, good question. I'll do it. I'll pretend I'm the little mooncheck.
Okay.
So how do I test it? With my head?
No, your hand will do.
Oh, just the hand. Oh, okay, here, right? So if the mooncheck was here...
That's right.
Oh. Wow!
No!
Amazing!
That's right. He's caught. It can't run.
You're tied up.
And then it can't run. Oh, it really can't. Look!
Caught just like that, because the other end is buried deep.
Yeah. And the moonchecks are small, right? So it definitely couldn't get away.
Is everyone curved like this?
You have to find one that's just right. Too thick and it'll end up too high.
Can you guys hurry up? Because my hands are running out of oxygen here.
Oh, your hand.
Oh, it's going numb. It's going numb.
Look at his hand.
What are you doing?
Hey, you caught a wild boar.
A snare made of on-spot materials has shown us another kind of indigenous forest wisdom. Meanwhile, the bush around us is full of edible plants. We follow Xiaodong and learn how to pick them. We'll eat them tonight. As the sun goes down, the sky grows dark. Now it's time to experience how Atayal hunt. Oh, before we begin, a ceremony for the ancestral spirits is not to be skipped.
When we come to this part of the mountains, we pay respect to our ancestral spirits. So when we're on the mountain tonight, we'll be safe. It'll go well and we come back safe. Here we go. We thank heaven, and we thank earth, and then we thank ourselves for not falling down tonight. Now we'll have a drink with them. Thank them. Look, there are ants here.
There are ants.
Ants are so creepy.
These ants are huge.
Oh, step over here. Look, only bones left.
Here.
You have to wear long pants here.
There are muntjac here.
What's that?
Muntjac poop, see?
Huh? That's poop?
Yes.
It looks dried out.
So you know it's passed through here.
Yeah, there are a lot here.
Oh, so how old is this poop?
Probably 2 or 3 days.
Oh, so it's still alive.
Okay, let's keep going.
It might be nearby, living nearby.
We need to be quieter, or we won't see their eyes. We came here to see them at night.
Okay, we'll keep it down. Are there any hunting taboos or...
Yes, keep quiet.
Oh, quiet.
Walk quietly. We'll go slowly. Don't drag your feet or you'll scare them.
Oh, okay.
Do you hear it calling over there?
I think so.
Yes. We'll go slowly and quietly. Don't make noise. Okay, be quiet. Quiet. I think I see it. You stay here. You two wait here. Stay right here.
Oh, this is so tense. He told us to wait here.
I think something's there.
He's raised the gun. Oh, he's aiming.
He sees it. Ooh, that was loud.
Oh, I think he got it.
Did he hit it? I think he hit it. You can come here and take a look. Did he hit it?
No way. On the first shot?
It's behind that tree.
You see it?
I see it.
We heard it like a minute ago.
It ran away. Bad luck today.
Look at my heart rate. It's like 120. Oh, that was so intense.
Yeah, first time I ever heard a gunshot so close.
It was too fast. Wasn't full from eating yet. Let's keep going.
We only just gotten started and a muntjac has already shown up. Oh, too bad it got away. We follow Xiaodong from a distance so the noise we make doesn't scare off our quarry. Watch a hunter's intense focus. I think I have made another discovery. Oh, I see it. I see it.
I see one muntjac.
Right now. He's looking for it.
I heard a twig breaking. It was over there. It's gone now. I went up that way. I whistled earlier, but you weren't listening.
We were. When you whistled, I stopped right away.
Yeah?
Yeah, I crushed down.
You can't see it anymore. It's gone. It's okay. We'll keep going.
As we experience night observation and hunting, we learn how much patience and wisdom a brave hunter needs to have. Now and then we hear muntjacs or glimpse them, but unfortunately catch one isn't so easy. Maybe, like Xiaodong said, even if heaven doesn't send our quarry to us, we should still be grateful. This is another lesson in becoming an Atayal warrior.
Wow, that smells so good.
We came back from hunting empty-handed and we still get so much to eat.
You didn't bag anything?
No, but we did see muntjacs. It was the will of the ancestral spirits. It's okay. Maybe next time we'll catch something.
Well, either way, you'll still have to eat.
That's right.
And there's the hunter's meal we made this afternoon. Good thing we did.
And today's roasted cured meat.
Oh,
Well,
I only have one word to describe it. Heaven.
heaven.
It's so good.
Here, you want to try this?
Of course. We put a lot of work into picking it today.
What is this? Vegetable fern.
I almost said something else. I keep thinking it wrong.
This is good. It reminds me a bit of bird's nest fern. Have you ever had it before?
Oh, that is what I was looking for. It's chewy, but on the inside,
It's kind of slippery.
yeah, it's slippery and tender.
Is it tree sap?
The sticky stuff?
Yes.
Well, I've heard old people say the sticky stuff is good for your stomach.
Oh, really?
And we also have Macau sausage.
Oh my God.
Macau.
Oh, amazing. Oh my God.
Today you went up the mountain to hunt, but often they go into the mountains without bagging anything. Sometimes they just miss how it felt to spend time with their dad. Life back then, childhood memories. Memories of going up the mountain with dad, so it's very important to maintain this tradition. It's their culture.
Cultural heritage.
Yes, but hunters never hunt thoughtlessly or kill the innocent. They're never cruel to the animals. In fact, when we hunt something, we thank it for its sacrifice.
We thank nature for giving all of this to us.
We thank the land for its gift to us.
Like the alocasia here, it can be an umbrella or a canteen or a bucket. And also the bamboo we're using today and this bowl are all taken from nature. Yeah, I think it's wonderful you can take from nature and then give back to nature. You coexist with nature. That's very wise.
Yep.
You learned a lot today, right? Yes, a lot.
He's focused on eating.
It's so good. I just want to keep on eating.
Come back whenever you want.
Okay.